Welcome to LGT Vihan. Located in the serene Anantagiri, Araku, this DTCP-approved premium layout offers breathtaking views, lush greenery, and the first golden rays of the sun. Wake up to the morning fog rolling over the hills, creating a mesmerizing and peaceful atmosphere. Development is progressing rapidly, with majority of the work completed, ensuring world-class infrastructure. With 60 feet and 40 feet blacktop roads, a grand twin-arch entrance, a 2,500-meter compound wall, and a majestic 18-foot Arjuna statue, Vihaan redefines elegant living. The project is also equipped with well-planned drainage lines and 24-hour electricity, ensuring seamless comfort and convenience. Adding to the luxury, we offer a modern clubhouse with a swimming pool, a beautifully designed flower garden with gazebos, an open-air amphitheater, a fruit garden, and net cricket facilities, ensuring leisure and recreation for every resident. From beautifully planned plots to modern amenities, every detail is crafted for your dream home in the lap of nature. Just 75 kilometers from Visakhapatnam, close to Bora Caves, Taita Jungle Bells, and Gostani River. This is your gateway to a luxurious yet peaceful lifestyle. Own your dream plot today at LGT Vihan, inspired by nature, designed for life.